Good morning, candidates. This is the um, folder I am sharing for people appearing for IDBI JAM AM interview and also for, say, Federal Bank Associate Officer Sales interview. So, what are the important things that are there here? You have 200 important banking abbreviations. You have 200 important banking abbreviations which you can study and get to know. Then you also have what are the interview questions asked in SBI, SBI PO interview, then executive and IDBI interviews. In the case of IDBI interviews, what are the questions asked? Okay. Yeah. What are the questions asked that is given here? Then next one is that say this is a very, very important one, that is Federal Bank interview questions. Here you will find a lot of important questions that are asked for various people. So you can go through this one also. Then you have bank interview questions, bankers at the interview question, banking economic abbreviations, banking and economics abbreviations. What is A and BC? Like that. What is BRA, Banking Regulation Act? Like that. So all these things are also given here. Then the other things that are important is that this is this is a book, Practice of Banking. So this is very useful. You can just give a glance reading through this. Say here everything, but of course, since people appearing for IDBI, they should go through all of this thoroughly. But people going for Federal Bank and associate officers, they must read, but then their interest must be more towards sales, because their duty is going to be they have to convince people about opening a deposit account, maybe savings bank, maybe current account or fixed deposit or cash certificate or say recurring deposit or demat account. And your job is mainly to convince people to take loans from our bank. That is, say, gold loan, jewel loan, or home loan, housing loan, home loan, housing loan, both are same. Then education loan, then infrastructure loan, self-help group loan, then loan against property, loan for vehicle, like that. You must canvas with them for availing any of these facilities from our bank. So what you should do for that, you should go through Federal Bank, you should go through federalbank.co.in website. Okay, federalbank.co.in. So it's somehow it is not going. So let me try again through some other means. www.federalbank.co.in. federalbank.co.in. So, are you seeing this now? I don't know. Anyhow, I am sharing it again. This is the website of our Federal Bank. If you come to personal, you will see that they are mentioning about savings account, salary account, then deposits, Then savings account with fintech companies. Then loans, personal loans, gold loans, car loans, housing loans, property loans, education loan, etc. Then fintech partnership, savings account with fintech, digital lending. That is, they are lending through online itself. Then digital personal loans, fintech, and who are their partners. Then they are giving you as a associate officer going for federal bank, you must know about other schemes also. So you know what is a credit card, what are the conditions for credit card and all that. Then debit cards, then smart keychain flash pay. Just click them and go and read about them. Then coming to insurance, you click insurance and read about that. Then NPS, Vatsalya, Sovereign Gold Band, what all these things are mentioning what? Then what is priority banking in the case of our federal bank? You must know that. The same thing those people who are appearing for IDBI must do in IDBI bank website. Not many people have joined, only one or two have joined. More people come, I will take you there. Now, then this is NRI. When you click this NRI, you will know what are the NRE accounts they have got. You must go through that and know. But when you go for interview, they may not expect you to know fully all the terms and conditions because they will give you training, they will give you teaching. So, but however, broad ideas about all these things you must know. For example, NRE savings account is for people who are non-residents and it is like a normal savings account. Only thing is the credit can be made only in foreign currency. Withdrawal can be made in rupees and the balance in that account is eligible for repatriation abroad without reference to Reserve Bank. Like this, these things you must know. NRO savings account means, say, non-resident ordinary. Supposing a person is in India, is going abroad for a job, then his existing account will be converted to NRO. He can remit local monies into that account, local currency, and but the balance in the account is not eligible for repatriation abroad. Like that, I am just telling you about this. Like this, for everything you must go through. Now, coming to business, you have about parent account, fixed deposit, cash certificate, recurring deposit. So, SME, agri loans, corporate finance, trade finance. Please go through each and every item step by step. Out of them, at least the important ones are current account, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, then uh, SME business loans, then bank guarantee. These are important ones which you can read. Then Fed one, transaction services. What is that Fed one? You can go through that and see what is Fed one. Fed one, what is their features, what are the eligibility. Please go through that and get to know about it. But in my experience, they have not been asking very deep like this. They will only ask you like this. Now, please tell me what is a bank? What are the deposits of bank? What are the advances of banks? What are para banking services? What are the ways by which banks are getting commission? Then tell me about savings bank. Tell me about current account. Tell me the difference between these. Then tell me about fixed deposit. Tell me about recurring deposit difference. Tell me about demat account, what for it is used. Then coming to loan, tell me about gold loan, then loan against property, then term loan, overdraft, cash credit, then say agriculture credit card, then priority sector, agriculture loans, education loans, for export loan, then say the SHG loan, renewable energy loan, like that they will ask. You at least know the names of loans if you don't know full details, but prepare in detail about what is a gold loan, what are the procedure that is followed, what is a car loan, what is the procedure that is followed, because they sometimes they may give this product, you please try to canvas from people, how will you do that? Sometimes in Federal Bank, they ask questions like, how will you get me 100 new savings account within 1 month? How will you get 3,000 accounts within 3 months? Like that, they will ask. You should not get frightened, but tell them with confidence. So these are some of the points. Now, besides that, let me tell you what are the other things I am giving for people joining our group. I am showing you this paper that I am giving. Here I will be showing you there is one page known as Who is Who. There is one Who is Who. You might have seen it in some of my videos. Who is Who. This is Who is Who. See, Who is Who means important functionaries who are, say, a holding position, details about them. 50 people like who is president of FICCI, who is LIC India chairman, who is defense chief, everything. All these things I have given here. So I'm stopping sharing of this. Then I am sharing again this one with you. Here, say, I am giving you certain interview videos, then Federal Bank interview videos not posted, unlisted ones. Then another thing I'm giving you is general awareness. You will get general awareness. You will get general awareness um, folder wherein you will have lot of general knowledge things. But for this interview, not much is required. For this interview, what is required is you must know about, say, um, normally the questions they ask are about union ministers, your state ministers, your state tourist spots, your state important crops, your state important industries, important people, important sportsmen, important politicians. Then sometimes they ask like this, name the five Reserve Bank governors, existing and previous ones, five vice presidents, five prime ministers, five chief ministers, who is governor of your state. Like these questions they will ask in the interview. Be ready for them. Apart from this, the questions will be, say, why you are coming here after doing engineering? Why did you not study commerce? Like these questions they will ask. And also, how do you think you will fit into this position? Maybe IDBI Bank or maybe Federal Bank. How will you fit into this position? Like these questions they will ask. And you should not get disheartened, but be willing to take up those questions happily and talk and give answers to them so that they are interested. Normally, in Federal Bank, so far more than 700 candidates have joined. I have seen that people who believe in themselves, those who can communicate well in English and local language, then those who know broadly some general knowledge about their family, etc., They will ask about your parents' occupation and questions related to that. So, if you are able to answer those questions correctly, you will be selected. So far, about five or six of you have joined. After a few days, once this Punjab National Bank interview comes to an end, the rush comes to an end, I will arrange for classes in the mornings, if possible, or from 7 to 8, so that you can listen. And then I will post those videos online also. Just as this video, I am talking to myself and I'm going to post for your benefit. So let us hope for the best. Thank you. I request those who have been selected for Federal Bank Associate Officer, those who want to have interview guidance, please join by paying Gpay or Phone Pay rupees 6052, number 9003037557, and send screenshot to me. I am not in India. I will take classes either in the early morning or in the evenings or late nights. Best wishes. Thank you. Bye.